Alright, so you want to know how to get faster at cutting hair. Listen, and first thing I gotta say is, your station is everything. The way you set up your station has a lot to do with how fast you cut hair, alright? This is just one tip, alright? When you're moving and maneuvering around, getting everything that you need while cutting hair, you gotta be able to just grab things and know where they are. You gotta, the touch to feel ratio has to be on point. Everything you grab, you gotta know where it is. You can't be sitting around thinking and trying to find stuff. You know what I mean? Where is this? You gotta memorize where everything is in your station. What drawer is what drawer. You know what I mean? You just gotta know. I already know what you guys are thinking. You're like, oh my god, no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. His hair is dirty. No, no, no. Jeezy, why didn't you refuse? Oh my god. No, no, no. Listen, alright, when a client comes in and their hair is a little, you know what I mean? They should have washed your hair before, alright. But you guys are gonna see how I clean the hair without actually washing it, if that makes sense. All right, just keep watching, okay? It's gonna be at the end of after you. Memorizing your steps has a lot to do with how fast you cut hair as well. Like, I like to use the ball line, the lever open, the 1 guard, the 2 guard, you know what I mean? Blend it down. Like, steps like that you have to learn and memorize so you can get faster at cutting hair. Alright, so when it comes to doing the taper in the back, it's a couple easy steps that I like to take. It's quick, easy, and it's just straight to the point. My first guideline is the ball line. Then I move to the lever open. I go up about, I give it about 1 inch depending on how long the neck is. After that is the 1 guard open. Alright, I'm going up about 1 inch just like I did with the lever open. Then I go in with the number 2 just to clean up the top area. I go down and I might clean it up with the number 1 again. But if you're trying to really be quicker, I just jump right into the 0 guard close and flick out that middle line. Then I go to the bottom with the lever close and I flick out that bottom line. And after that, it's just cleanup work from there. Let's see if he, see what type of waves he got here. You got 2 wave caps on?
No.
Okay,
no.
Shine. Y'all see the shine. Alright, so the last thing you need to know about speeding up your cuts, and it's just obvious, it's one of those obvious things, is that you just need to move faster. You guys, listen, cutting fast, really, you know what I mean? It's all about repetition, okay? The more you do it, the better you get and the faster you get. But being fast ain't all of what it's cracked up to be. You don't have to rush through cuts every time, all right? This is just some helpful tips to let you guys know how to speed up the process, but you don't want to sit here and, you know, be at the shop rushing cuts. All right, for all my students out there, take your time. You'll get faster as many times as you do it. So Yeah, that's how you get faster at cutting hair. I'm out. Peace.